The findings which we're going to present at this year's American Heart Association meeting in Chicago concern the changes we found when looking at the EKGs, the electricity, how the electricity travels through the heart. And in this case, through the xenotransplanted heart, the pig heart that was gene modified and then implanted in Mr. Bennett to allow him to have another shot at life. What we saw is that different from what we find typically in pig hearts, that it took longer for electricity to travel from the top chambers to the bottom chambers, through the bottom chambers, and then also for the heart to go back to baseline to be able to beat again to create the next heartbeat. We don't quite know yet what this is due to, but there's certain hypotheses, a lot of innovation, a lot of signals from the brain that typically adjusts how the heart is beating is of course missing because the heart was moved out of the pig's body. A lot of new cutting edge medication was used and preparation was used to allow this really quantum leap to occur and to move this field forward. And there are probably also a lot of unknown interactions between substances in the human body that circulate through the heart. So what we've learned from this research is that while we have pretty good evidence that none of those things resulted ultimately in the adverse clinical outcome after 60 days, we saw no need to clinically intervene. And there was no need for any changes in treatment or medication for Mr. Bennett, but it allowed us to understand one other aspect better of xenotransplantation, that we are better prepared next time around, that we know what to look for and be able to address any changes if need be early on.